Father, here I am with tears in my eyes. I know I've made mistakes.
Emotional Beats Guy.
Please don't give up on me. I wanna walk your way. I wanna live for you, but every day I fall again. Lord, I need your strength. Please, God, hear my cry. Wash away these sins of mine. I'm willing to change my life, but I can't make it by myself. The things I see every day pull my heart so far away. Take my hand and lead me home. Never let me walk alone. Every morning I make a promise. Today I'll stand for you. But temptation waits around the corner, trying to steal the truth. My eyes keep seeing things that awaken my old desires. Instead of following your light, I find myself back in the fire. Forgive me, Father, I don't wanna live this way. I'm crying out for mercy. Please don't turn away. Please, God, hear my cry. Wash away these sins of mine. I'm willing to change my life, but I can't make it by myself. The things I see every day pull my heart so far away. Take my hand and lead me home. Never let me walk alone. The people around me dream differently. They don't seek the road I seek. Their conversations change my focus and make my spirit weak. Sometimes I change my decisions just to fit into the crowd. Then I hear your gentle voice calling me out loud. Give me friends who love your presence, who lift me when I fall. Teach me to choose your purpose above the voice of all. Please, God, hear my cry. Wash away these sins of mine. I'm willing to change my life, but I can't make it by myself. The things I see every day pull my heart so far away. Take my hand and lead me home. Never let me walk alone. Create me a clean heart, Lord. Renew a faithful spirit inside me. Break every chain that holds me down. Open my eyes so I can see. When I am weak, be my strength. When I am lost, be my guide. When I am tempted, hold my hand and never leave my side. He's God, oh yeah. He's God, Please, God, don't give up on me. Your mercy is all I need. I'm surrendering everything. Let your spirit deep in me. No more living for this world. No more follow in the crowd. Now lift your holy name forever. Jesus, I choose you now. I'll keep fighting every battle, knowing you're always near. One day I'll stand before your throne, because your grace brought me here.
Emotional Beats Guy.
Father, I'm not perfect, but I'm yours. Keep changing me, keep shaping me, until my life reflects your love. Amen. Amen.